Hi, everyone. So we've already talked about using axes as a way to think about what you should be doing when you write your paragraphs. So remember, axes was an acronym that stood for your assertion, which was like a topic sentence, your example. We use this for a rhetorical analysis. So this example was some sort of example from the text itself. And then we would explain how that example proves that assertion. And then we'd always end our paragraphs with a significant statement, remembering that we do the X and the E as many times as we could to have a nice kind of collection of evidence, or what we call development, to actually prove our claim. Today I'd like to talk about set paragraph development. So this is just another model of thinking about what you're doing in your paragraphs. And set is a little bit different in that this one emphasizes transitions, and you'll see that we have the T there all the time for the transitions. And so with set, we can think about having a traditional topic sentence, so your claim or your assertion that you're making, and then we always offer evidence or support for that claim. We always explain how the support proves the claim or the assertion, and then we add a transition. And we always want to do this set for each piece of support we have. So we don't ever want to offer support without the E and the T, that this stuff comes collected as a set. So then we move on to our next kind of sets, or support, explanation, transition. And what we need is two sets for each paragraph. For an adequately developed paragraph, we should have at least two pieces of evidence, and then of course we'd have explanation and transition there. Ideally, you'd have three, maybe you might even have four. So the more evidence you have, the better you're actually able to prove whatever that claim is. And then at the end of the paragraph, remember, we don't want to leave our readers kind of hanging on a transition or hanging on some sort of explanation about a particular piece of support. We always want to wrap that paragraph up. So you'll notice that the paragraph is framed here with your claim, your topic sentence, and then your concluding statement. So remember, you can think about that as the significance, or why this paragraph kind of matters in terms of your thesis idea. Okay, so I hope this document kind of helps you kind of think of another kind of model for your paragraphs as you're writing your essay. And if you like set, if that one seems to make a lot of sense for you, use that one. If you still like the axes model, go ahead and use that one. Okay, you guys, happy writing.